Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, the Coleman Classic 3-burner propane camping stove. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes this camping stove a must-have for your next outdoor adventure. The Coleman Classic 3-burner stove is designed for those who love to cook while enjoying the great outdoors. Whether you're camping in the woods, tailgating at a game, or grilling during a family picnic, this portable cooktop has you covered. One of the standout features of this stove is its portability. It comes with a built-in carry handle, making it easy to transport wherever your adventures take you. This means you can easily pack it along for camping trips, picnics, roadside cookouts, and more. When it comes to cooking performance, the Coleman stove impresses with its Even-Temp burners. The unique racetrack design ensures that heat is distributed evenly across the cooking surface. Additionally, it features two wind guards equipped with wind block protection to shield the burners and flames from gusty winds, perfect for those breezy days outdoors. Another highlight is the improved cooking control. The stove has 3 independently adjustable burners that offer precise temperature control, allowing you to simmer, sauté, or boil with ease. Its perfect heat technology enhances cooking efficiency, meaning you'll use less fuel while still achieving optimal results. Cleanup is often a hassle when cooking outdoors, but the Coleman Classic 3-burner stove makes it easier. The removable chrome-plated grate simplifies the cleaning process, allowing you to enjoy your meals without worrying about the mess. Lighting the stove is a breeze thanks to the push-button InstaStart ignition. This matchless lighting feature means you can ignite the burners without the need for matches or lighters, ensuring safety and convenience. In terms of power, this stove packs a punch with 28,000 total BTUs. It also incorporates perfect flow pressure control technology, which helps maintain steady heat throughout your cooking, no matter the conditions. The stove is spacious enough to fit 2 12-inch pans or 3 8-inch pans, offering plenty of cooking space for your favorite dishes. Now, who is this stove suitable for? If you're an avid camper, a tailgating aficionado, or someone who enjoys grilling and cooking outdoors, this stove is an excellent choice. It's also ideal for families who love to share meals together in nature, or even for solo adventurers who want to whip up a quick meal on the go. As for practical use cases, imagine setting up this stove at your campsite to prepare a hearty breakfast with pancakes, eggs, and bacon, all cooked to perfection. Or picture yourself tailgating before a big game, grilling burgers and hot dogs for your friends and family. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the Coleman Classic 3-burner propane camping stove is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor cooking experience. With its portability, even cooking capabilities, and user-friendly features, it stands out as a reliable companion for all your adventures. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.